Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a smooth and delicious caramel banana pudding, a perfect dessert with rich caramel flavor and natural banana sweetness. Let's start. First, making the caramel. In a pan, take 3 tablespoons sugar and 1 tablespoon water. Cook on low heat until caramelized to a golden brown color. Pour the caramel into a mold and spread evenly. Caramel desserts have been enjoyed since ancient times in different cultures. Don't overcook the caramel or it will turn bitter. Keep it aside to set. Take 2 ripe bananas. Add 2 eggs. Mash them well. Bananas are known as nature's energy bar due to their natural sweetness and nutrients. Add 2 tablespoons sugar and half teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix everything together. Pour the banana mixture into a blender. Add 1 cup milk and blend until smooth. Pour the blended mixture into the caramel-coated mold. Cover it with a lid or foil. In a pan, boil some water. Place the mold inside. Cover and steam for 25 to 30 minutes on medium-low heat. Cover the mold properly while steaming to avoid water droplets affecting the texture. Let the pudding cool down completely. Keep it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours for the best texture. Clear the edges and demold the pudding. Bananas are rich in potassium, which supports heart health. Eggs provide protein, make this dessert a good source of nutrition. This pudding is a classic comfort dessert, loved worldwide. Use ripe bananas for natural sweetness and better texture. Serve and enjoy. This caramel banana pudding is smooth, creamy and packed with flavor. Try this recipe at home and let us know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more amazing recipes. See you in the next video.